If you are ready for a drive, your MG Comet is too. All you need to do is sit and switch to the ready state. And if you want to switch it off, well, there are two ways. The first one, put the gear knob in neutral mode, pull the handbrake, get out of the car and lock it using the remote key. The whole system turns off as soon as you lock the car. The other way, put the gear knob in neutral mode, pull the handbrake and use the emergency power button beside the lever for opening the front compartment. Press the button to exit the ready state, all while sitting inside the car. Simple. So now you can save the battery while sitting inside.